The 2015 Rogue. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, heated mirrors, power mirrors, 4-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, integrated turn signal mirrors. Inside you'll find navigation system, Sirius satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, security system, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, dual front airbags, dual zone AC, panic alarm. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.